I apologize. It's due to poor network. I'm actually on Third Mainland Bridge, and I don't think we have a strong signal there. Good morning. Hello, sis. Olori Ewatomi. How are you, sis? Hi. Hmm? Ṣé Lẹ́kì kọ́ ẹ̀? Òyìnbó is here with me. These are my very good big sister. Anyway, thank you so very much, Adenike. Thank you, everyone. Okay, we are doing our shop opening tomorrow, everyone. So I'm gonna be talking about it, but before then, let me say thank you to each and every one of you that wished Angela Olua happy birthday yesterday. Thank you so very much. We really do appreciate you guys. Thank you. Angela says thank you to all the mummies and all the daddies in the house, to everyone, my friend, the aunties, the uncles. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate your warm wishes, your prayers. Thank you. God bless you. And we'll say a resounding amen to all your prayers. May God in His infinite mercy pray for you all and give you a reason to celebrate always. Thank you so, so very much. This is the best way I can do it. I cannot go around under everybody's status. I do acknowledge them. I tried my best stopping by and saying thank you under each status that was put up just to celebrate her yesterday. But unfortunately, I couldn't go around everyone because of poor network in Nigeria. My new house now, the signal there is so poor. That's why you don't get to see me anything from evening, Diale. The signal is so poor that even when I do my MTN, I still struggle hard, to come online. Otherwise, I love coming out at night, in the evening, I mean, but then I couldn't do a lot of broadcasts because of the network coverage in that area. But that's fine. At least I do come out once in a while like this, like now I'm in the car, I'm traveling, not traveling as in going out, as in I'm going to the island from mainland. Mm. And I just say, I should seize the opportunity to say thank you to everybody. So thank you so very much. God bless you. We appreciate. I hope you guys have not forgotten that I said tomorrow. Tomorrow, Olalolanje, we're gonna be doing our shop opening officially. So we'll be doing our shop opening officially. Where we're gonna be doing sales reduction. There'll be discounts on a lot of things in the shop. So if you are my friend, my follower, my fan, and you happen to be in Nigeria, please do endeavor to stop by tomorrow for Amala Gbigbono. There's Amala tó steaming hot. You know what I mean? Yes, so we have very good menu to serve you guys tomorrow. Hmm? Menu. We've got snacks, small chops. We have we also have Amala Gbigbono. We have Igbin Alata. We have Ogufe. We have drinks. Just stop by and have fun anyway. It's all about that. Stopping by, taking a picture, celebrating with us. You know, that's all. So don't forget 10th of January, which is tomorrow, Friday. That is when we're going to be doing the opening from 9 p.m. till 8 p.m. in the night. We are opened from 9 p.m. till 8 p.m. So that's about 12 hours program. We have news talks, we have beautiful stuff. In the shop, we've got jewelries, we've got belts, we've got shoes, men's shoes, ladies' fabrics. You know, Eric Bobono Butugome, Erulukume. So do not hesitate to stop by. You know, to get something nice for yourself and also at a cheaper rate. Thank you so very much, Auntie Miriam. We'll be expecting you. I have a lot of my people in the house, all of you, my aunties, my friends, my colleagues, my haburos. Please do stop by. You know, do stop by to see what we have in the store. We've got new stocks, lovely, lovely, lovely things that you will love. So please do not hesitate to stop by. We're gonna be serving you hot, Lola. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. Ola Lola nje. So we have amala gbígbóná. We'll be serving you amala gbígbóná. Hot steaming amala with ogufe, ẹran, ọbẹ̀ dídí. Yes, that's what we're gonna be doing in the shop tomorrow. So outside that, we have small chops. We've got ìgbín alata. We have ogufe dídín, ẹran dídín, ike màálù àsun. And then I'll be hosting some of my very close friends in the house. Yinka Davis. Is it Yinka Davis? The lady that came to my shop the other time that took me out for a drink. Please, I have lost your contact. In case you are online, kindly get in contact with me, I beg of you. And I do apologize sincerely for not contacting you. I have just misplaced that number somewhere, somehow. But please do call me. You are my very good friend. I would love to have you there. So, you know yourself. I know you have a shop somewhere in Ogudu as well, near the police station or something. I'm not sure. But please do call me. Tomorrow we'll be opening the shop. We'll be having, a lot of people from abroad, from America, in the shop there visiting us. So just stop by as well. And to all of you that are online today, please kindly spread the news that AJ is opening a shop tomorrow. AJ to Trendies is at number 146 Ogudu Road, Ojota, Lagos, Nigeria. Please do stop by. Thank you so very much, Toxicity. How are you, my darling? I am doing well. Trust me. I am doing well. Adding a bit of weight in Nigeria. Nigeria is favoring me. I'm adding weight. Horrible. Thank you so very much, Ademola Dakashamila. God bless you. Oh, I love you, Smooth Peala. Love, love, love. Yeah. This is what we are having our fun. The life here in somewhere in Ikoyi. I'm going to Lekki. There's traffic everywhere. Toxicity is pained. The same way I was pained yesterday when the Mirobo, they all left me for Ikorodu. Imagine how crazy that is. How can they leave their mommy in Lagos and they all went to Ibadan to have fun? It is that boy, Larry King took all of them there. He invited all of us to come with him. Unfortunately, I've been so busy. I've been so busy, working on tomorrow to make it a day. So thank you so, so very much to everyone that actually perfected that dream, to everyone that played a significant role in in AJ Trendies, in AJ Store, to all of you that do promote me. Thank you so very much. Dorcas Kemi Adeyinka, thank you so very much, baby sis. God bless you. You are darling always. To all of you, Alan Gilbert, Jimmy Omolope, everyone online today, Tia Sprilla, Ayo Johnson, Omoduni Robert, my darling, all of you, K Baba Omidiji, Bose Ganiu, Auntie Dupe, Olu, Dupe, Abefe Robert. Thank you so very much, all of you. You guys are just amazing. Thank you. Thank you for all your impact in my life, in the, you know, in the success of our shop. Thank you. Bless you. Tomorrow we're going to be having a shop opening, an official shop opening. Please do stop by to see what we've got in the shop. We have so many beautiful attire, beautiful laces, Senegalese for kimonos. We have all of them there. We also have some fasesh top dresses. We have um what is it called as well? We have jogger suits, up and down, beautiful ones. You can also stop by to see those ones. So we've added some English word to it, things that you will like, lovely, lovely stuff for casuals and also for going out. So I'll be looking forward to meet you all tomorrow. Stop by at the shop. If I'm not there, just wait for me. I'll try to be there as early as possible, but then I'm going to see to the menu and make sure everything is okay. We're going to be bringing it to the shop. Please kindly stop by to say hello. We also have some giveaway. So do not hesitate to stop by. God bless you all as you stop. Hello, Mommy Emisaki Saya. How are you, ma? Thank you so very much, Orlando Moba. You are Italian always. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. You are Italian. Thank you. And thank you. Adoriomade, thank you so very much. To all of you that celebrated Angela Oluwa yesterday, in case you're just joining me, thank you so very much. Oluwa da ilé àtọ̀nà yín sí o. Ọlọ́run á celebrate ẹ̀yin náà o. Àwọn ọmọ wa ṣoríire jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ lágbára Ọlọ́run ọjọ́ òní tiwa o. Á jèrè wọn, wọ́n á dirú, wọ́n á digbá o. Wọ́n á tẹ́gbẹ́ láyé o, wọ́n á jẹgbẹ́ lọ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Gbogbo ẹni tó bá robi sí wọn, ibi á bó nítọ̀hún tọmọtọmọ lágbára Èdùmàrè. Lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba, ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Angeloluwa is saying a very big thank you to all of you. Yesterday was fun for her. Thank you to all of you that sent out gift, present. Thank you so very much. Ẹ ṣé for your moral support. Thank you. We appreciate everything. Ẹ ṣeun, a dúpẹ́ gan ni. Uncle Shege, Uncle Shege, Wàjẹ́ Shege yà, Shege tí kà lóṣòro. Thank you so very much. I acknowledge it. D. Williams, D. Mama. Thank you. Dorcas Kemi Adeyinka. Wole Keke. Where has Soji heard anything about Soji in the last couple of weeks? Yes, I've been so very busy, but then I miss him. Soji Oloya. How are you, brother? How you doing? So thank you so very much, all of you. I appreciate you. Fair Robert, I hope you're faring well. T. Aspila. Oko Mommy. How come you have forsaken the love of your life here? Omotoni Robert, how are you? I'm not going to say hello to Yoruba. Yoruba is really offending me in this Nigeria. He does not create time for me. We don't get to see, we rarely get to see, except on our party days. Since we got to Nigeria, he has forsaken me for, our affair. By the time we return to London, he'll be shouting his sister. I don't think I'm a sister anymore. I'm really jealous and pained. He went to Ibadan yesterday without taking your mama. He went alone. Ola, don't mind this person saying Ola. He said, AJ, you are at fault on that. You are to take good care of all your children. No. Ola, okay, I'm not gonna. I am not at fault there because they all left me in Lagos. I went to Ibadan. Okay, you check this out. I'm having a shop opening. You should know I'm gonna be extremely busy. I have to see to things so as not to flop our activities for tomorrow. So when they decide to put the Ibadan activity on a Tuesday, it hurts me. I am pained because I should be drinking palm wine with them, eating that snail with them, and I am going to give them a correct go back at them, definitely. All of them, the five of them. Bengashiku, G-Money, Irobo, Lafunki is there. That is Bengashiku's wife. Larry King is there. Who else should we do it to attorney? G-Money, no, to not G-Money. G-Money must have orchestrated that evil against my person. He is always doing that every time. It is G-Money. I know who did it. Jumoke, you are laughing. You know it's G-Money. He's very mean. G-Money did that to me. He told them to leave me in Lagos. I told them, wait, let me get something sorted in the shop, return back home and get my bag. And before I knew it, they left me. And I can't just get over that thing they are hitting yesterday. It would have been so nice nílùú Ìbàdàn. Gbogbo ilẹ̀ ló gbà wá bá a bá dé Ìbàdàn ṣì máa joyè nílùú Ìbàdàn tẹ́rí mu. Àwọn Ìbàdàn mi lè mọ́ làásẹ̀, ó lè má lẹ́nu ń bẹ̀, ó ti lè sọnù sókè òkun àwọn ọmọ àlè tó. Àwọn èmi ò lọ Ìbàdàn ń joyè, Ìbàdàn ń joyè, lọ́yọ̀ ń joyè, ń Jẹ̀bú Òde. I can't be fine with them, TJ, Morgan. They heard me. I am really, really upset with them. I don't want to talk to them. In fact, tomorrow, I don't want them to come to my show. How can they do that to me? Ghanaians, they left me, oh. That didn't pay me. So last night, I saw them. Yoruba wa ṣe tí tó tún bọ́ṣọ. Ṣó yẹ kéèyàn máa bọ́ṣọ? Kó máa mutí? Kó máa mú ẹmu? Wo nǹkan tí máa ṣe fún ẹ, a máa blog ara wa pa ni lórí ìkànnì yìí. Gàrá ni. A máa blog ara wa pa ni ní orí ìkànnì yìí. Ó máa serious o. Ó ń láti serious. How could you have done that to your sweetheart? Me, Irobo. Gbogbo èèyàn tó pọ̀ dọ̀ pé ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀yìn ni mo wà bí ké. Ó ṣàfẹ́ kí Jímọ̀ ní jẹ́ kí tírélà gbá àárín wa kọjá. Ó wà okay náà. Ẹ ti ṣe ti yín. Return match me. I told you I was in the States. I went to interview Alhaji MC. MC Eyoti Oluomo, Olulu. That is where I was. So I was doing video for them. I was showing them video pé ibi tí mo wà rè o pé àná ló pọ́dún kan tí ó máa pọ́dún gun tí wọ́n fẹ́ pa MC o. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ bá wa dé mi ẹ̀yìn dé sí kò kú o. Jẹ́ kí n lọ kí o. Lọ́fíìsì àṣeyàn mi kókókó pàdí mi o. Èèyàn yìí o. Wọ́n ti já mi lẹ̀. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé state busy ni. Busy ní state. Busy ni. A busy pa ń bẹ̀. Èrò tó wà ń bẹ̀ ní state ní ìyànà pàjá. Peter wà ní NURTW ni. NURTW bí tí mo wà nìyẹn throughout ń jẹta. Ibi tí mo wà throughout nìyẹn ní ìjẹta. Òun rèé, fóònù rèé. Don't mind my screen. That is where I was. He was so busy that I was just sitting there with my people. They were entertaining us, and I was there and doing my interview one after the other. I would release everything because I don't want to go live. It was even the network don't fuck me up. The building look at me on the network. You see, àrí ìkẹ́ ọmọ Abike Jagaban bí wọ́n o ọ̀tẹ̀lélẹ́yìn wọn mi yẹ́ mi sí. How could they have forsaken me like that since we got to the Europe? He's always doing that to me. Once he sees his friend, he will just leave me and he will follow them. I will report him to his wife when I get back. I vex, yo. I vex. And I will do my own back to them. They know me now. Shebi will see after me this Lagos. Magba return. He told them Magba. Correct. Trust me. In fact, only Gbenga Shiku I will pardon because Gbenga Shiku can be quite reasonable. But you see that Jimoni and the Robo, they are very wicked people. Can you imagine? They have not even returned till now from Ibadan. Ṣé wọ́n fẹ́ máa gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni? And when they don't see me, they'll be shouting, AJ, AJ! Àwọn fáǹsì ẹ wá ẹbí AJ! Má pè mí mọ́tò kí kálukú rọra di àṣìṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n kò jẹ. But you see that Jimoni is evil. Evil. Me, I know. And I will deal with him. Yoruba, I'm not smiling at you, so you better get out with your popcorn and your ice cream. I don't want it. Èmi Tolúlọpẹ́ part 2. Ẹ ti ṣí èmi ọmọ ayé ìyá ayé. Mọ ibi tí mo wà ní. Ayé pàdé lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lé èmi Abike. Live story Robo. Kò lè pé èmi. Ẹ gbàgbé bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. I am getting ready because my daddy, the Mayegun General, is on the 13th, the installation, the coronation of Mayegun Dua is on the 13th, officially on the 13th of January, where it's going to be crowned, installed as the Mayegun General. Mayegun gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ayé sọkúsọ àwọn tó máa ń fẹnu jáàmù tó pé bíbá